Greetings, my friends. Welcome to Daily Insights, the home of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, I come to you to discuss a force so potent, yet often underestimated, a force that, when acted upon, can reshape the fabric of our reality. This force, my friends, is what I call the power of an idea. Here is something for you to think about. Every monumental change, every groundbreaking invention, and every societal transformation began as a mere spark in someone's mind. The question then is, what gives an idea its true power? Is it its novelty? Is it potential for impact? Or is it the courage of the individual who dares to bring it to life? Now, I want you to consider for a moment the story of the Wright brothers. Their idea of a flying machine was met with ridicule. How dare they believe they can do something like that? Yet they pursued their vision with unwavering conviction. Today, we traverse the skies without a second thought, a testament to the power of their idea, a testament to the power of an idea. Now, I ask you, how many times have you had an idea that excited you, kept you awake at night, and was brimming with possibilities? And how many times have you let that idea fade away into the recesses of your mind, unexplored and unexpressed? Here's another question for you. What if one of those ideas had the potential to change your life or even to change the world? I am here to tell you the truth is every idea holds that potential within. The question then becomes, what is stopping us from pursuing our ideas? Is it fear, doubt, or the daunting specter of failure? It is natural to feel these emotions, but I want you to remember that every outstanding achievement was once considered impossible until someone dared to think otherwise. Today, I challenge you to reflect on those ideas you've shelved away. What if one of them holds the key to your most outstanding achievement? What if one of them could make a difference in someone's life, community, or the world? My friends, the power of an idea lies not in its inception, but in its execution. It is in taking that first step despite the fear and uncertainty. It is in the journey of bringing an idea to life that we have the potential to change the world and transform ourselves. Let us not underestimate the power that lies within each of us. Let us not underestimate the power of our ideas, for in them lies the potential for greatness, change, and a legacy that transcends our lives. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.